Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So first of all, you can see that this is a chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and this is the 4 hours chart. So last week we had a sharp uptrend on USD CAD when US dollar also witnessed heavy buying. Okay. This is a chart of DXY. Here you can see that DXY also witnessed heavy buying or heavy bullishness after the CPI report. And generally we see that whenever US dollar goes up, USD CAD also goes up. And when US dollar goes down, we generally see USD CAD also going down. It also has an external impact from the price of crude oil, but right now the impact of US dollar is more on the chart of USD CAD. Okay, so there is a possibility of US dollar going for some correction in the coming week, because after this huge bullishness, okay, market usually take rest for a while. So there is a possibility of US dollar taking some rest or going down. So if US dollar starts going down or if consolidation happens, then we may see USD CAD also going down. But on the other hand, if US dollar gets bullish again, starts flying again, then there is a good possibility of USD CAD also going up. So keep your eyes on US dollar or DXY as well. And is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD here. You can see it was going up, everything was smooth, but it had problem at this particular level. And if you have watched my previous videos on USD CAD, then you know this level very well, because I have this level on my chart for last couple of months, because this level 1.2610 belongs to the weekly chart, and you can see that market was in uptrend and market failed to cross this level. So this gives us the confirmation that 1.2610 is still a valid resistance for the market. So on Monday, if market goes up from here, wait for the market to reach this particular level again. When market will hit the level, observe the price and see. If you find market coming down or reversing, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, the resistance is still valid and you can take a sell position. Just keep in mind that US dollar is very much related to USD CAD. So just take the additional confirmation from DXY chart. Do not short USD CAD when US dollar is going up. That will be very risky for. So on Monday, if market goes up and reverses from this particular level again, 1.2610 or 1.2600 level, you can take a sell position. That is your first trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if market starts coming down or going down, do not short the market in the middle, because see, you can take a sell position here, but your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. And as I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. It may take some time, but at least you'll get a better trade. Do not compromise with the trading discipline. So do not enter in the middle, wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to come down. You can see that we also have a trend line at the bottom, coming down from the bottom, which is also acting as a support for the market. In your chart, if you do not have these lines, then I'll request you to draw this line. Okay, so weekly resistance clear. Okay. So if market comes down on Monday, then wait for the market to hit the support level of 1.2470, 1.2470, or this trend line. When market will be hitting this price level or this trend line, observe the price and see. If market bounces from the trend line or this price level, there is a possibility of market bouncing, and if market successfully bounces, you can take a buy position. because this trend line, obviously you can see that this trend line has been acting as a dynamic support for the market. Whenever market is coming down, it is getting support from this trend line and market bouncing. And apart from this trend line, 1.2470, why? Because this level was previously resistance. Right now there is a possibility of resistance becoming support. So if market bounces from 1.2470 or the trend line, you can take a buy position if market bounces. And I think this is the sweetest position to take a buy position, to take a buy call, because you can see that we have a dual support here, the trend line and this particular level. Okay, let's see where the market goes on Monday. If goes up, we will try to take a sell position when it reverses, and if it comes down and bounces from the support level, we will take a buy. Do not trade in the middle. Try to avoid trading in the middle because your risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday, and good luck.